Hey there, welcome to Be Easy with Breezy, where we'll dive into all things DIY, crafting, and basket making. I'm Bree, and if you like keeping things relatable, you're in the right place. I'm always showing fresh ideas, so you don't want to miss out.
Ho, 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 ho! Ho, 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 ho! Ho, 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 ho!
Why should you subscribe? Because here at Be Easy with Breezy, we're all about the creativity minus the stress. I personally believe that creativity flows better in a stress-free place. And don't forget to tap that bell so you'll be amongst the first to know the next time I drop a new video. So if you're ready to unwind and try something new, hit that subscribe button. Plus, I love hearing from you. So drop me a tip or a comment and let's get this creativity flowing. Well, check out some of my latest videos and let's get to creating. And let's not forget to subscribe, comment, and hit that bell. I can't wait to see you in the next one. So until then, stay easy with Breezy. And remember, we're on this journey together.